Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to collaborate on Instagram posts. This video will be very easy, so make sure to watch until the end. And also, make sure that you like this video for more helpful tech content like Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and others. So let's get started. The first step is opening Instagram. You will be taken to your homepage, so go to your profile icon right at the bottom right corner. And now, tap on the plus icon right here, and then post. So, choose a picture that you want to post and then tap on next. Tap on next again. And now, tap on tag people. So, just tap on that, and then you can either tag people or tap on this, invite collaborator. I'm just gonna invite a friend of mine, and then just tap on done, and then share. And as it's posting, then it's really that simple. And if you want more of these type of videos, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.